the zoo, doesn't it? Like, Dad's just been to the shop for some nice honey roasted peanuts and cashews, and to my friend here. What's that? It doesn't like anything else I buy. Do you? No chocolate, no meat, no nothing. Give you a honey roasted peanut. You're jumping on it. Oh, don't like peanuts, though, do you? No. They got to be plain and simple. Buy honey roasted and look, what you doing with it? You're gonna have a chomp. Oh yeah, look. That is nice. No one. Oh, you dropped it. You done? Sound. Oh, more for Dad then. Is that better? Not bad, are they? Another bit. Look at that. Don't eat peanuts. I'm eating them now, though. Can't see these lasting very long. And put some of these in your food. And someone's going to tell me off to giving you honey roasted nuts because there's salt in them. Anyway.